Hi, it's Dave, and we finally got our new house. We picked up the keys earlier today, and if I walk down these stairs and open the door, I drop the camera. Don't drop the camera. And open the door, come round, I have my new workshop. There's a step there as well. And here we are. I now have my workshop at last. It's taken a while, there's been a lot of delays, but I'm in, we've got the keys, I'm well chuffed. It's an enormous space, really. It's probably 2.5 times a double garage. As you see behind me, I've got the garage doors as well. Neither of them work, so I can't get either of those to open. The previous people have also left cupboards behind me. I don't think I'm going to keep any of those. What an area. I'm going to be able to work now anytime I like. Daytime, nighttime, rain, cold. Whereas at the moment I'm kind of restricted to what I can do. So it's just such a step forward. It's going to be a few weeks of getting sorted out, you know, moving in, getting all my gear over here, getting the car over here, get everything done. A lot of work to do, but hopefully I can start updating the channel, I can start making some progress on the car. I've been itching to get stuff done, I really have, and thanks for all the messages of support that I've been getting for all the other videos that I've done, and the encouragement, and the where are you Dave, get the bloody car made. I'm here, I've got it now, and we can really make some progress. So thank you all for your patience. And over the few coming weeks, I'll probably maybe set up a separate series of workshop work, of how I get things set up, how I get the air compressors and welding equipment. I'm going to get the car lift as well. Probably not going to keep both doors, but we'll see. And it's part of the house as well. I don't even have to go outside to get in here. I can just come down, and this is underneath the house. Oh, the camera keeps falling over. This is underneath the house. So really looking forward to getting everything working, and I'll catch up with you all soon.